All right, guys, we're here at the second property. Me and JR. Introduce yourself to the camera, man. This is my partner, JR. So this is the house that we just got under contract, and we're going to evaluate it, and I'm going to let you know my thoughts on it. So the outside has great curb appeal. Man, I'm looking at the detail moldings around the outside of the house, and it has a lot of character. It has a lot of potential. We don't really know what the foundation's like. I'm trying to see if it's on a pure system like the last house, and I think it is, but without even walking inside, I could tell the foundation's already leaning this way, so it might have a few issues inside in that foundation. We're about to see. It's gonna be the moment of truth. See what the foundation looking like. Definitely got some leveling and foundation issues. A lot of wood rot. I mean, nothing I'm scared of. I think if we already did that first one, and we knew what the frame was gonna do, then it would be something we just say, go for it. What we got this one for? 120. I mean, honestly, it ain't no different than the other house after you gut it. It looks like it has a little bit more foundation issues, walking in. But when you gut it, and you gut everything to the studs, it's all gonna be the same for me. It's just gonna be a little bit more fixing some stuff up. I mean, I still like it. The question is, are the sellers willing to renegotiate that price a little bit? Because it's gonna need a little bit more than what we think it's gonna need. Like on something like this, we end up spending $100,000. And it's gonna be a little bit more work. So if we're gonna spend the money and it's gonna be a little bit more work and some unknowns, then we taking a little bit more risk. So let's go back and renegotiate and see, can we get a little lower, and let's just move forward. And we'll figure everything else out as we go. You give me 100 grand, we'll figure out how to make it work. If I gotta bring a crew from Atlanta, we'll make it work. But let's go back to the table with them and go from there. How much DD we have on it? 3 days. Okay. How soon can we get a home inspector to come look at the foundation? Yeah, call him now. Let's at least have him look at and do a home inspection. So I think with the home inspection, we can at least show, the seller knows, but we can at least say, hey, we're serious, here's the home inspection. We do want to move forward, but based on the home inspection, we need to be here to make the deal work. So we can do that and get some off. I say let's just keep rolling forward and moving forward, because I know the comps are good, the street's good, the location's good. So let's try to make it work. Let's take a look at the outside real quick. See, I think back here, definitely a wood fence across the back to give it a little bit more privacy. And then again, this is the alley, do like a little pad. If it's in the budget when we finish up. But the back side of this roof don't look too bad. It's really the side, yeah. So, that could be mean, that could save us a little bit of money, you know, not having to replace that roof. Yeah, the roof looks good. Yeah, the roof looks good. Yeah, yep. The only question is really just, yeah, how bad them piers are, you know. When I do my numbers, I'm gonna put, you know, 6,000-7,000 just to fix that, because we just don't know. And if all the other numbers work, man, we just gonna go for it. I mean, worst case scenario, we just have a rental property. But we ain't got nothing to lose, man. We ain't got nothing to lose and everything to gain. Because I mean, if we end up putting even if we end up putting, you think 300 over here, Ralph?
Close.
Yeah. I think we can get 300 because we're gonna make it look nice. Yeah. I like it, man. So let's do, like I said, let's do the inspection so at least we have something to show them. And let's go back in and ask for a price reduction. Let's try to get it, man. Unless you're scared. Okay, well if you ain't scared, I ain't scared. Let's go for it.